So you want to make your AI freeze in place. That's stop movement. Sometimes the AI shouldn't keep moving. Combat started, cutscenes triggered, or stop movement hold them instantly. Now to get this one, just right click and type stop movement, and you will get this note like this. But for now, we don't need either of it because I already created a logic to demonstrate what I'm talking about. So in AI controller, I just take up execution pin from event begin play. Then we got the control point that we are controlling right now, and we set it to reach the location of 000, and after that there will be a delay, a random delay of like 3 to 10 seconds. It can be anything, and then it will stop the movement. So AI will stop regardless whether it reached the location or not. If the delay is of like 5 seconds, it will stop after 5 seconds. If the delay is 7 seconds, it will stop that there. So we compile, and now in even begin play, as you can see, we started it, and after 3 to 5 second random value which we got from then random value from stream, it started to stop like this, as you can see on the screen. So let's do it again and to better understand it. Yeah, as you can see, all of them are moving and they will start. Yeah, they started to stop randomly. Now it's perfect for enemy spotting the player, NPC reacting to dialogue, or stopping unit when reaching a destination. I personally use it when I'm using motion warping, because sometimes the motion warping throws me away very far. So to stop that from happening, I use stop movement, because it actually stop the movement immediately no matter what the player is doing. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.